Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and I'm shooting indoors today because it's 3 degrees outside. We have just set a record for the longest streak in my area below freezing. I think it was a record set in 1982 that I really probably never wanted to break, but we've been somewhere, probably before it's over tomorrow, somewhere around 200 hours below freezing, which is highly unusual for my area southeast of Raleigh, North Carolina. Kind of crazy. Anyway, welcome to the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos that I include in the video. Those are at the end of the video. I had 3 different people, I think, send me several photos. If you're interested in sending in photos for that, here's the email address right here. I really appreciate everyone's participation in that. Before that, I have photos that I took late last winter at the J.C. Ralston Arboretum in Raleigh, North Carolina, of flowering trees and daffodils and very, very early flowering spring things. Those are included before that. Before we get to the photos, I'm excited to announce that Corona is giving away 3 sets of pruners on my channel, and I will tell you in a minute how to go about winning those. For those of you who have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll remember that I was giving away some pruners last year as I reached different milestones on my YouTube channel, and always Coronas. I've used them when I was landscaping, I used them at the nursery, and I sell them at the garden center. They're not paying me for this in any way, shape, or form, but they are giving away the 3 sets of pruners, so thanks to them for that. Also, if you ever watch my propagation series, you know I recommend these little Corona snips because there's just no hand fatigue with them. You can use them for hours and hours, just super easy. Corona's actually merged these Comfort Grip pruners that I was giving away with these and created what they call flex dial pruners. There's a little dial in the middle of the pruner that you can change to increase or decrease the amount of tension on it. So you can put it on 1 and do a lot of repetitive cuts, or you can turn it all the way up to 8 and do much larger limbs. So that's super, super nice. Thanks again to Corona for participating in this giveaway. The way in which you go about entering, and you can enter 3 different ways. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and comment on this video if you're watching it on YouTube. Then you can go over to Facebook, or maybe you're watching it on Facebook right now, and you can like my Facebook channel and then comment on the video on Facebook. I'm uploading it in both places, same exact video. Just comment on YouTube and comment on the Facebook video. You'll be entered twice at that point. Then you can go over to Instagram at HortTube, and I'm putting up a photo today of the flex dial Corona pruners that are being given away. Follow me on Instagram and comment on that photo, and you'll be entered a 3rd time. In 2 weeks from now, I'm going to do another Subscriber Sunday video, and I will use a random comment picker on the YouTube video, on the Facebook video, and on the Instagram post. And we'll be giving away 3 sets of pruners, and Corona is actually the one sending them out. For now, these giveaways are limited to U.S. residents only. Thank you very much to my international audience. We have great folks watching in Canada, Australia, Great Britain, India, and just all over the world. I'm amazed how many people find these videos all over the world. But at this time, these giveaways are for U.S. residents only. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. Go and enter all 3 ways and enjoy the photos. Thanks for watching.